Bitcoin has finally closed a week above the 200 moving average, and there is another bottoming indicator that is flashing right now. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys about the Pural Multiple, another on-chain indicator that is flashing bottoming signs right now for the price of Bitcoin, and that means bottoming for the whole entire crypto market, I hope. We're going to take a look at my charts, take a look at some of the patterns that we're seeing. We got some short-term patterns building up that could show a little bit of a short-term swing move for Bitcoin over this week, but some pretty interesting things going on these charts. So if you're excited about that, like the videos and do all that other stuff. Let's just get right into it right now. So the first thing I want to talk about is this Bitcoin chart right here, because I'm very excited, very happy that we're finally above this yellow line right here, which is the 200 moving average. We spiked above it. We got all the way to the 13 moving average around 24.75. Wick down. I thought we might have wicked below it again. Now, if we would have wicked below it again, that would have been that death, that nail in the coffin that I was thinking if we wicked below it again. But right now we're holding it. Showing support, turning it into support. That's what we want to see. We want to see that 200 moving average go from resistance to support, and then we can carry on with having some upside in the price. Looking at this Bitcoin chart, zooming out, we can see that we were in this downward triangle right here. When I zoom in and turn on some more of my trend lines right here, where is it at? We can see we have ourselves a rising wedge right now, that we hit the top of this trend line over here, and we look like we want to start traveling back down and try to bounce, over here to the bottom of this one. Hopefully it happens when it's outside of this. As a matter of fact, let me just delete this because we're looking at this short-term move right here. So now we're seeing that we have this rising wedge right here. Price is just paying attention to this thing pretty nicely. So if we bounce down again and come back up, that will it will play out nicely. I want to see that happen one more time in the price of Bitcoin, but this is showing me that, hey, we might want to travel down a little bit over the next couple of weeks, maybe getting to retest some of our lower lows in the price of Bitcoin. But what I really want to see happen is that we just go straight up. Of course, go straight up, tap 33 K right here, the 200 moving average on the daily. That's really what I would like to see. But the DXY is showing me some other interesting things right here. So what I'm seeing is the DXY is retracing down to this blue line right here, which is the 13 moving average on the weekly at 104.79, and right now we're at 105.14 for the DXY. But bouncing off of here would be a nice retest. You could see, look in the past, you could see the price literally just bounced off of there and then continued up for the DXY. Now this has been the uptrend that we've been seeing in crypto over the last couple of weeks, and if we bounce here and then go back up, that would pretty much coincide with what's going on this Bitcoin chart right here. If we were just going to come up and retest this 13 moving average and then have work our way sideways for a little bit. So things are playing out exactly how I was thinking. Yes, we're going sideways right now. For the last couple of days we've been going sideways. For the last couple of weeks we've been going sideways but putting in higher highs. So I want to see us put in some more higher highs and some more higher lows, and we'll be good for the price of Bitcoin right there. So for those of you who want to learn how to trade, I lowered the price of the trading course because I wasn't getting a lot of buyers. So I figured, you know what, people probably don't have as much money, and I want to help those people get some more money. That's what this trading course was all about, was to help people. So I lowered the price by 50%. Now you can get it for 50 bucks for the regular version, 80 bucks for the deluxe version. The reason why I'm not giving it away for free, because then it'll be a waste for people who just want free stuff and they're not going to actually study. So someone who's willing to spend 50 bucks or maybe spend 48 bucks on the NFT or something like that, they might actually study, learn how to trade, and then I can get the gratification of them coming back to me a year from now saying, hey man, thank you for putting me onto this trading thing. I'm rich because you showed me. That's the goal. That's the plan with this whole thing right here. So it is available for those who want to trade, and I do have a trading group that I'm creating with the people from who buy the trading course, so we can trade and let's get this money together. So the last thing I want to talk about is this Puro multiple right here. The Puro multiple equals the daily coin issuance over the daily coin issuance over the last 365 days. Very confusing thing to say, but let's just take a look at it right here. So right here we have this red line, which is the Puro multiple, and then we have this little area right here where you can kind of see it's like this little green area right here is basically what we need to pay attention to. Up here, this line is the Bitcoin price, and if you look at this chart, you can see a couple things playing out. When the price action actually comes down here and taps this bottom over here, we definitely see that that is a bottom for Bitcoin, and then the price just started going up all the way until the Puro multiple got over here into this red, which signified the top for Bitcoin. If we can look at this in 2018 right here, that signified a bottom, and then the price went up over the next couple of years, and it wasn't until 2022 where we got ourselves a new all-time high, but that was a bottoming signal. So I want to remind some people that bottoming doesn't mean we're going to start going up into a bull run already. Bottoming just means that the worst is over for Bitcoin. There will still be some coins and some trials and some lawsuits and stuff that happen, just like they happen in every bear market, but the worst is over for Bitcoin, and that's just good to see. As far as if this indicator is correct, then we know that the worst is over for Bitcoin. In the price action, the price for Bitcoin has bottomed according to this. So it is not the only bottom signal flashing right now. We have a bunch of other bottoming signals flashing, so it's just a good time to start paying attention to this crypto market. Definitely hunting for gems. If you have any crypto gems you'd like me to take a look at, especially gem NFT projects, go ahead and put those down in the comment box. Today, don't forget to check out the trading course. If you are new to trading, investing and trading in the crypto market goes hand in hand, because like I said, nothing survives the bear market, even if it's the greatest project in the world. So like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. Check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com. RIP to crypto roots. Till next time, peace.